Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides with x squared. Next, we put this one go in here. Next, I need to use about Bernoulli equation. So I will put about v equals to y over x, and we know that y over x that's e about y multiplied by 1 over x. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about dv over dx, and we do first derivative of y multiplied by 1 over x. Later that we need to do first derivative of 1 over x multiplied by y. This one you got about dy over dx. This one you got about negative 1 over x squared. So y over x we change for v and v. This one we change for dv over dx. Next, we put this one go to the left, the x will go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. We know that tan v that's about sine v over cosine v. So cosine v will go to numerator, and this one you got about sine v squared. Now I will concentrate about this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine v du, you got about cosine v dv. So this one we change for u squared. This one we change for du. The integral of this one you got about negative 1 over u plus c. About u that's about sine v. So for this one we need to change for this one. The integral of the x you got about x. About v that's e about y over x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.